Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's very important video, I'm gonna teach you how to complete the free app disk space in Windows. So today we will undergo different steps, different important steps that will surely help your computer to free up enough space. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get the process. Okay, first is you need to search for settings at the bottom search bar. Please type settings and click on open to run. So once you're here at the settings, let's just wait. Okay. Okay, once you're here, just go for applications or apps and go for the first option, which is installed apps. Okay, so once you're being redirected to the list of applications that you have or present in your computer, just here uninstall or manage the applications that you want to uninstall. I mean, identify those applications that you no longer needed in your computer. Okay? Because there are some instances that we just leave an application untouched and opened and which might actually consume a lot of space in your computer. Okay, so once you identified applications that you want to uninstall, let's say for example I'll be deleting this copilot, just click this three dots here and go for uninstall. Okay, so just identify those applications that you no longer needed and select the three dots and go for uninstall. In this way, you are cleaning up space and freeing up space in your computer. Once done, just simply close the settings and let's proceed to the second step, which is to press Windows and R key together. This is my favorite part actually. Here, just type clean mgr. Okay, so once done, press OK. Click OK to proceed. The moment you click on OK, you'll be redirected to this new window, which contains this cleanup for my drive. And here you need to mark check all of these junk files. Don't worry because even if you deleted all of these junk files, your data or any of your important data will not be deleted. These are junk files, registries created by your system and not by you. So this will not affect your computer. It will free up space. In my case, my disk cleanup will free up to 12.2 megabyte size because I have just done cleaning earlier. Okay? Just click on OK to delete and delete files. Okay? So make it a best practice to visit to clean or free up space using Clean MGR in your window. Just have done it every week or every 10 days in a month, okay? So the next step, which is to go back for run again, press Windows and R key together, and this time, please type temp and click on OK to open. Okay. The moment you open temp, you will be redirected a bunch of files here. You will see a bunch of files listed here. In my case, I have only two files because as I have said earlier, I have just done cleaning. Okay. To mark all of this or to select all of this, just simply press Ctrl A to select all and Shift to delete. After that, just click on delete and this folder will be emptied. Okay? After that, just simply close this and let's proceed to the next step, which is to go back for run again. And this time we will type percentage temp percentage. Okay? And then proceed by clicking OK. Okay? So I'm requesting you to finish the video because this will surely help your computer to free up space to make it run faster and better than its usual. Okay? Here, as you can see, I have a bunch of junk files here. Now, in order to delete this, just mark any of these files, Control A to select all, Control Delete. I mean Shift to delete multiple items. Just keep those folders access denied and in use. Okay? In this manner, we are cleaning and freeing up space in our computer. This is very helpful and important in your computer. Okay? After that, just simply close this. And let's proceed to the next step again by pressing Windows and R key together. And this time we will type prefetch. Then click OK to proceed. Okay. Then it asks you to have the permission. Just click on continue. Here I have the bunch again of files that is created by my system, not me. So definitely it will not affect my data. It will not delete my data. Okay, just press any of this file, Control A again, then Shift to delete. Then click on yes to proceed. Okay, so I have just done cleaning and only folder in use left. Okay, so just simply close this. Okay. So those are the steps, important steps on how to free up disk space in your computer. Okay. So if you think you learned something, this video is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.